The Amazon app now features a unified QR code scanner that handles multiple functions, including packages, returns, product lookups, and promotional codes. This comprehensive scanning system uses AI powered recognition for faster and more accurate detection. The scanner is accessible through the camera icon in the Amazon app. The 2025 version includes AI powered recognition that works even in poor lighting conditions and is standardized across both iOS and Android platforms. Here's the simple 6-step process to scan QR codes with the Amazon app. First, open the Amazon app and tap either the camera icon or the search bar. Then select the scan option, point your camera at the QR code, and wait for automatic recognition before following the on-screen prompts. The Amazon QR code scanner supports multiple functions. You can confirm package deliveries, generate return labels, look up product information, compare prices, and redeem promotional codes. This unified approach eliminates the need for separate scanning tools and streamlines your Amazon experience. Amazon's QR code scanning technology delivers industry-leading performance with a 97.8% success rate and sub 2-second response times. The unified scanner works seamlessly across all Amazon services, making it an essential tool for modern Amazon users.